In our previous class, we had seen how to make use of combo box page item in our Oracle Apex application, wherein we had seen how we can make use of combo box single as well as multiple selection within the combo box. Also, we had seen how we can customize the look and feel of the combo box list, that is by using the HTML expression. Also, user was able to add the custom value, suppose if it is not available within the list using the combo box. In this demonstration, we are going to learn about one more concept in Oracle Apex, that is called as select one or select many page item. So let's see what is select one and select many and how it is different from the combo box. For demonstrating select one and many, I will be creating a new page, that is the blank page. I will name here as select one and select many. Click on create page. Similar like combo box, select one or select many is used in order to display the list of values, like that is the list of values LOV, where user has to select one of the values from the list, that is by using select one or select many. And also user will not be able to add the custom values, suppose if it is not available one among the list of values. So in such cases where you want user to select one among the values within the list, then you have to go for select one. Practical use cases could be showing the list of states or the countries across the globe in a list, where user should not be able to create their own state or country in the value. So my page has been created. First of all, I will right click and create the region over here. First I will tell this is for select one, and I will be creating one page item, and I will tell this is for select one page item. From the type, we have to select this select one. Coming to the list of values, here you have option to select the value from the shared component, SQL query, static value. Suppose if you want to go for static value, you can populate the display as well as return values. For this demonstration, what I will do is I will go for SQL query. Click on the expression builder or the code editor. For demonstration purpose, what I will do is I am going to consider this EBA countries table, which is available as part of the sample dataset in Oracle Apex. Or you can consider any of the table data which is available in your instance. I am having this EBA countries sample dataset. I will be trying to show the name of the country in the display as well as in the return value using this SQL query. Let me copy this query and paste it over here. Click on validate. It's okay. Click on OK, save, and let's now see this in action. Our page has been loaded. Label and all you can change later. Suppose I want to look for India. I can search over here and tell India, and user will not be able to add the custom values, and they have to add one among the values available. Suppose if I want to add Bengaluru and click on enter, it is not allowing me to select or enter the value. So I have to select one among the list of values available within the list. So this was regarding the select one. I will show you how we can go and do the select many or the multiple. I will create one more region, that is for showing the select many. Right click and click on this create a page item. Here I will tell select many. Label you can change as per your naming convention followed in your project. Next we have to select the type. This is the most important thing, and I am going this time for select many. Suppose if you want to store the value or display the value as a chip, you can go for the chip, or you can go for comma separated list. By default, it is selected as chip by Oracle. So I will keep this default. Value expression HTML, we will customize this using this shortly, like how we have done in the case of combo box. Scroll down, and here you have to provide the static values. Suppose if you want to go for the static value, you can populate the display as well as the return value. Suppose if you want to go for the SQL query, you can construct the SQL query having the display and the return value. I will go for shared component, and I will be selecting one of the shared components which I have already created, that is countries shared select. I will walk you through this countries shared select. In order to create the list of values at the application level, you have to go to shared components and then the list of value. I have created this dynamic countries shared select. This is the list of value of dynamic type. I'm making use of source as table and EBA countries. This is the same table which I have shown over here. I'm considering for this use case. I'm saying I want to return the name column. Display also I'm going to return the column that is name. Also, I want to sort based on the name column. Direction is ascending. I want to group. Suppose if I am showing the multiple values, I want to group the countries based on the region. So you can group this based on the continent. Suppose if you want to show all the countries in the Asia as a group, then you can group based on the continent or based on population, whatever is the use case. Accordingly, you can select the icon also if you want to show as a country's flag, that you can show it over here. Coming to the additional display values, I'm adding the region ID. If you are grouping based on some column, then you have to add that as a additional display column as well. Then apart from name, I will add the capital, country code and the population. So this is how my shared list of value will look like. So with this knowledge, let's click on save and let's now preview our application. My page has been loaded successfully. This time if I click on select many, based on the shared value, that is the list of value, it is showing the details. In my case, what I have done is in the additional display value, I have given the region ID, the name, the capital and the population. It is based on the list of value additional columns, like here we have told region ID, capital, country code and the population it should show. And in our case, the name of the country is not showing it over here. Suppose if I search like India, it is not showing, rather it is showing the capital name. So it is based on this additional column. Here if you see the name of the country visible, it is turned to false. Let's make it as visible as, and let's again preview our page. This time the name of the country should be visible. Let me again click. If you see, the India is visible. Similarly, if you want to search for the United States, or how it is USA, it's available over here, United States of America. And also if you see, it is grouping the countries based on the region ID. So this is our grouping logic. All the countries which are having the region code as 10, it is grouped under single region ID. Suppose if you want to group based on the continent, then you can group something like this. Here 30 refers to the region ID, which is nothing but it is the continent name. Suppose if you tell that in combo box, we are having a feature wherein we can customize the look and feel of the values which is available or shown on the list of values. Now we can do the same in the select many or select one. In order to customize the look and feel, we have to locate the value HTML expression for select many page item. Click on the code editor. I'm going to copy paste the same code which I have used in the case of combo box. You have to make sure you are getting this name, capital, the population, all those things in the shared component SQL query in the response, that is in the additional column values. Suppose if you have not added that under the additional column values, that's over here. Let me again walk you through the same. I will get into my list of values under the shared component. Scroll down here. If you see additional display columns, here you have to make sure all the columns which you are referring in the value HTML expression, you have to make sure that particular additional columns are being added. With this knowledge, we'll click on OK and let's now preview this page. And all other settings, I'm keeping it default, like infinite scroll. If you don't want to have an infinite scroll, how much maximum value you have to show on the select menu, you have to display it over here or right over here. Suppose if you want to have a case sensitive search, you can provide the case sensitive search, minimum characters. If you want like user to enter at least 3 characters, then only it will trigger the search, then you can add. And also if you want to develop the dependent LOV or the cascading list of value, like how we have seen in the previous classes, then you can create this cascading list of value. Suppose this select many component has to populate the list based on the selection, whatever you have done prior to this particular page item, then you can go for this cascading or dependent LOV. Let's now preview our page. After adding the HTML expression, let's see how our list will change. Here if you see, my list is showing the name of the country, the capital and the population, like how I have mentioned it over here using the HTML. Suppose if you want to further style, you can style using the HTML and the CSS properties. Suppose if I want to search for the country, that is India, I think there is a case sensitive search. It is still searching with the capital name. So these things you can fix later point of time, how you want to search and based on what value you can customize this search criteria. Now this is searching based on the country name. So we can select few countries and it is showing like a chips as in when we select the country names. Also, it will show the count of the countries whatever we have selected. If you just click on this, it will show only those values which we have already selected. And if you select over here in this region, it will show all other countries apart from the one which we have selected. Now let's fix how we can search based on the country name. Suppose if I want to search based on the country name, here if I am going and selecting one of the value, let me unselect first of all the values, and let's now see how we can search for India and we can add. Currently it is not able to search. Now let's see how we can fix the same. We have to go to our page, select many page item we have to locate and look for any property available. Here we are having under the search the case sensitivity details, like if you want to have a case sensitive search or not, contains or equal to starts with these things, and the minimum character. We don't have the criteria to select based on which column in the table or the field our search should be functioning. So if it is not available here, then we have to check in the shared component. I have come to this shared component, that is countries shared select. This is the LOV which we have created. Coming to the additional display values, under the name, we can see that searchable is turned to off. We have to make this on, that is we have to set that as. Click on apply changes. Now let's preview this page. As we have made the search to work on the name of the country. This time if I search for the country India, I am able to search like that. I will search for the United. I will see all the countries which are having United in their name. So like this, we can customize the search fields or the criterias or the columns in the select many page item. So this is how we can make use of select one and select many page item in our Oracle Apex pages and build the very eye-catchy applications as per the business requirement.